How to deactivate or delete your Reddit account. Decided it's time to step away from Reddit? Here is how to deactivate or permanently delete your account safely. First things first, open your browser and go to www.reddit.com and log in if you haven't already. Click your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Find Profile and tap Update. Now go to Account tab. At the bottom, click Delete Account. Reddit may ask you to confirm your username and password. Optionally, provide a reason for leaving. Click Delete and your account will be deleted. Important notes: posts and comments you made will remain on Reddit, but your username will be removed. This action is permanent, it cannot be undone. And that's it, your Reddit account is now deleted. Take a break or say goodbye permanently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.